U.S. building code requires that gaps around all penetrations between floors and walls in Type 3 residential construction be completely sealed with a material approved as a fireblock. Use Great Stuff Fireblock to meet these requirements. These helpful steps will help you complete this home improvement project. Great Stuff straw products are designed for one-time use, so before you start your project, make sure you identify all the areas you can use it around your home. Here's what you'll need to do this project: personal protective equipment, gloves, safety glasses or goggles, and long sleeves. Can of Great Stuff Fireblock, drop cloths, paper towels, acetone or nail polish remover, a screwdriver or a putty knife, and a spray water bottle. Make sure you are working in a well-ventilated area and that you read all instructions carefully before you begin. Ensure you have adequate temperature and humidity, or a misting water bottle if the area or space is too arid. Ensure the area is free of any open flames or sparks, and don't smoke while dispensing the foam. Now let's get started. First, prep the area or gap or crack to be foamed. Next, remove any unwanted material blocking access to the area to be foamed. Shake the can vigorously for a minimum of 1 minute. Then remove the lid and screw the straw securely onto the can. Dispense a trial bead of foam onto a piece of paper. Clean up any uncured foam by using acetone or nail polish remover. Do a dry run, dispensing no foam, around the area you want foamed to check for any areas where the straw may get hung up or the crack is too narrow for the straw tip. Mark these areas and come back and fill them last. Now that you are ready to start applying the foam, invert the can and insert the tip of the straw into the gap or crack and depress the trigger smoothly. Slowly apply foam evenly, filling the gap, approximately 50% to allow for expansion. Don't overfill the gap, as the foam will expand. You can always go back and find any areas that need additional foam. Release the trigger while the straw tip is still in the gap, and when the foam has stopped dispensing, extract the straw tip. Wipe away any unwanted or uncured foam with a cloth soaked in acetone or nail polish remover. In 10 to 15 minutes after you've finished foaming, press a gloved finger to the foam bead. It should be tack-free. If it isn't, mist the foam with the water bottle sprayer. After 1 hour, inspect the gap or crack for any areas where the foam has expanded beyond the leading edge of the opening. In the event of over-foaming, wait until the foam is fully cured, approximately 8 hours, and then sand down or cut the excess foam. Do not try to wipe off the excess foam with an acetone-soaked towel or cloth before it's cured, because acetone will adversely affect the proper curing of the foam. If the foam will be exposed to UV light, such as in an exterior application, consider protecting the foam from UV degradation with an opaque paint or stain. Now it's time to clean up and dispose of empty cans properly. Now that's great stuff!